magianan. Wala yung mga
warrant.
wala lagi wala. Bong, bong, just being bong.
On the basis of detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? So to me now, the legal basis for my being here, as apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
Kung general naman kayo, alam naman na hindi man lang siya na-serve kung anong kaso kung pinacharge sa kanya ngayon. Hindi niya alam.
Kahit na PI man yun.
Alam mo, ang charge sa kanya, nasa dyaryo lang. And then, hindi pa kayo na...
There's naman doon, blooper, puro pagdating sa trial dyan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the